My name is Sandra Essex and welcome to my channel. My channel is all about empowering people to live their dreams. We do reviews on companies, products, tools, money making, and self-improvement tips. We feel that all the information that we share with you will help you to be able to start laying the foundations to be able to live your dreams. Knowledge is power, but only when it is applied. So let's take this journey together because you and we all have dreams that we still want to accomplish. So with that being said, let's get into today's review. Our review today is on 3 side hustles that you can do in 2020 that can help you make some money and start laying a foundation for you to be able to start living your dreams. Now, the topic that we're going to discuss today is employment in the employment market by being a virtual assistant. You might ask, what is the job description of a virtual assistant, or what really is a virtual assistant? A virtual assistant helps their employees with daily administrative tasks and schedules. Instead of going to the office every day to work, the virtual assistant completes their responsibility remotely at their home, at a coffee shop, or any location of their choice with internet access. In this role, you are in charge of handling the small details that the company who hires you are requesting, so that you can help the employer focus on larger company goals. A virtual assistant, what is their job description? You may communicate with your employer on multiple channels such as email, video messaging, instant messaging, and phone calls to keep in contact with your primary company. Some of the responsibilities that might be on you, and this varies from every company, different companies will give you different responsibilities. So once we get into the 3 companies today that we're going to share you about, you'll see each of those companies have different skill expectations and job responsibilities. But primarily you'll be organizing your employer's files, answering emails, arranging meetings and travel plans, helping to create presentation materials and other tasks. Like we said, each company will give you your job assignment. A virtual assistant might be asked to even manage expense report orders and confidential financial information, and that all depends to the level and expertise of your virtual assistant skills. What do virtual assistants get paid? A virtual assistant with 0 to 4 years experience usually earns the average between $10 to $12 an hour. A mid-career virtual assistant, and that's a person with 5 to 9 years of experience, earns an average total compensation of around $17+, and this is based on 112 salaries that were documented across the board to get an average of what a virtual assistant in this expertise field time frame makes. A seasoned experienced virtual assistant with 10 to 19 years of experience earns an average of $19.80 an hour. So as you see, this is a good paying job, and you can work at the convenience of your home. What are the qualifications of a good virtual assistant? If you're thinking about being a virtual assistant, after looking at this video and looking at the 3 companies that are ready to hire today, you might want to know what are some of the qualifications that make up a good virtual assistant, and this will help you access your recommendations that you might be qualified for this position. You must be a good communicator, worker, resilient and not thick-skinned, dependable, reliable, and consistent, versatile, flexible, and adaptable, confident, resourceful, organized, understanding, tolerant, and patient, trustworthy and honest, professional, accessible, approachable. You must be a problem solver, self-motivated, and proactive. These are some of the qualifications that, if you have these qualities in your personality, that you, and the skills that you're going to need, this virtual assistant might be a good choice for you. So what we want to do at this time is take a look at the 3 side hustles that I have found to be very good virtual assistant companies to work for. So with that being said, let's get into looking at the 3 virtual assistant companies that we're going to review today. Hi everybody. Right now we're looking at the first virtual assistant job that we're going to be talking about today. We're going to tell you a little bit about the company and the hiring process, and I'd like to let you know that the company hires every month weekly. So this is an opportunity that you can get to work within the next week or so. So the first company is called SigTrack. Okay, right now we're looking at SigTrack's website, and let me tell you a little bit about this company. SigTrack is a data processing company that primarily handles information connected to various political campaigns throughout the United States. They provide a variety of information that gets passed on to the candidates. So this right here is the first virtual assistant company that is hiring. And you see they said they are accepting new users, so they're hiring. If you want to, right here it says, what is SigTrack? SigTrack is a database application that links grassroots campaigns to crowdsource data entry freelancers, and that's what you would be, is a data entry freelancer working remotely from your home. Some of the requirements that they want you to have is Windows Pro Edition or higher, Mac OS a 10.12 plus, dual monitors, and a high-speed internet. Okay, they pay $10 to $12 an hour, and that depends on your experience and expertise. Right here to tell you a little bit about SigTrack. You have to be part of the United States residency is required, so you have to be a U.S. resident. You're going to have to provide a video of yourself with your ID so they can match your face to your ID and read the name on your ID card. You have to email the video to idverify@sigtrack.net, and I'll leave all this information in the description link. You get paid through PayPal. And if you want to talk to somebody live, they say that you can go to Skype and talk to Allie D Data at ID Verify Monday through Friday from 12 p.m. until 8 p.m. Central Standard Time. They say that once you have been hired, that you will receive a password to access SigTrack apps, and the application guide on this site includes an installation walkthrough. The job specs detail what a tag each signature on the forms within the SigTrack app itself. So there is a video that you can walk through to help you go through the steps of the hiring process. So this is one of the companies, and it's called SigTrack. Now, real quick, if you were interested in getting started with the application process, you would click this link right here, okay? And to get paid, you see they do pay you by PayPal, so you would click this. If you're not familiar with PayPal, you would click this link to learn how PayPal works. Okay, back to this link here. If you click this link right here, what it will do is take you to this page right here. Okay, and it talks about the requirements. Again, you have to be a U.S. citizen. You get paid by PayPal. Your computers must be a Windows Pro Edition higher or a Mac OS 1012 or later. And you have to have dual monitors. 4K monitor is highly recommended, such as a tablet or an iPad is used as a second monitor. So this right here is information on SigTrack, and what we're going to be doing is leaving all these links for you in our description, so you can come and see each one of these pages to get more in-depth information about SigTrack. Now, the next company that we're talking about is a company that's called Zirtual. Now, this company right here is a privately held, hold on one moment. Okay, this company right here is a privately held American company that provides virtual assistant services to professionals, entrepreneurs, and a small corporate team. They pay the virtual remote assistant $12 to $13 per hour. So I'm going to be leaving this link here also in the description, so you can see a little bit about what it takes to work for Zirtual. Now, Zirtual, when they hire you to join their team as a virtual assistant, you have to meet their requirements and make it through an extensive application process. So it is, as they're saying here, a very extensive application process. But that will let you know that this is a rock solid company. They say how it works is, if you're hired, you perform tasks for Zirtual's clients. Their tasks typically falls into three main categories, which include research, reservation, and scheduling. And this is the primary functions of Zirtual. Their clients, again, are mostly busy professionals in need of more free time. A Zirtual assistant can provide for that. A Zirtual assistants can provide for them. Now, they say that when you work for this company, you're going to get paid, as we stated, between $12 and $13 an hour. Now, this right here is Zirtual's corporate website. We're going to leave this link also in the description, where you can come to the corporate website, and to get started with their application process, you'll click this link up here. Okay, it says to work for Zirtual that they are seeking only U.S.-based applicants at this time. That they are seeking U.S.-based applicants at this time, and are only accepting positions located under the career section on this page. So you can come down here and look at the page, and it shows you what positions are open. So they have 3 remote positions: a startup consultant, a senior engineer, and a sales associate, and a growth consultant. So you can come to the website, and also they have a phone number that you can call to ask questions and speak to customer support. Now, the third and final virtual assistant company that we're going to be talking about is called 24/7 Virtual Assistant. Okay, this company provides customer service. This company provides customer service and remote remote virtual assistants around the world, performing such tasks as personal tasks, clerical, secretarial, web research, customer service, human resource, web design, and much more. So this company right here is a rock solid company. It is a US based company, and also it is hiring right now. So these three companies that we talked about today is excellent side hustles that you can do. It's good for a stay-at-home mom, good for college students, and it's something that you, if you're interested in getting in, that you can be employed shortly. So with this being said, ladies and gentlemen, I hope that you have found some value with this review. If you did get some value with this review, please give me a thumbs up and a like. Also comment and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below this video. And if you would like to learn my #1 recommendation for making money online, take a look at the links in the descriptions below this video. Feel free to take a look, leave a comment. I do get back with all my comments. With this being said, this is Sandra Essex signing out, and I'm looking forward to seeing you on my next review.